Hello friends, welcome back to CAD Practice. Today we are going to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software and learn the Autodesk Inventor basic commands. So let's get started. Go to New, take a standard part in millimeter and go to Create. Now take a 2D sketch. We will select here the front plane, the XY plane. Take here rectangle command, take 2 points, enter rectangle. From the center point, make the rectangle profile. Okay. Now here go to circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 76 mm. Okay. Go to coincident, select this endpoint and select the circle. Now go to dimension, define the width here as 36 mm. Okay. Go to trim this profile, trim this profile. Now here escape, select this line, press Ctrl, select this line, make them construction geometry. Okay, so this will become a profile. Now go to dimension, define this a radius of 38 mm. Okay, now finish sketch. Now go to extrude, we'll give a extrude of 8 mm. This will be single direction extrude and press 1. Okay, select this top face, go to create sketch, take rectangle command, take 2 points, enter rectangle. From the center point, make the rectangle up to this edge. Go to dimension, define the width of 40 mm. Okay, and escape. Now here finish sketch, take extrude, here take extrude of 5 mm and press OK. Okay, rotate the profile, select this back face, go to create sketch, take circle command. From the center point, make a circle here of diameter 40. Okay, go to project geometry, project this profile, take here trim command, click on trim, trim this outer and trim this outer. Go to dimension again, define this as 20. Okay, I'll expand it. Okay, similarly this also 20 and enter. Finish sketch, extrude it up to 5 mm. This will be also a joining profile and press OK. Okay, rotate this, select this face, go to create sketch. Now we are going to make the cut profiles. Take the circle command, from this center point, make circle of diameter 16, escape. Now you can see it is not placed properly. Select the center and place it on yellow point. Okay. Now go to rectangle command, take 2 point rectangle, make the rectangle from this edge. Go to coincident, select the center and select the center. Go to dimension, define the width here of 3 mm. Okay. Now go to rectangle and take here center point arc, slot. From the center point, make one slot here. From same center point, make one slot here. Okay, go to dimension, define the radius as 30, define this radius as 30. Okay, define this as 5 mm and the center to center will be of 12 mm. Okay, similarly here the center to center will be of 12 mm and the radius will be of 5 mm. Okay, now go to horizontal constraint, select this point and select the center, select this point and select the center. Finish sketch, here take extrude, select all the profiles, take here cut and here we will take all. So this will be a through cut and press OK. Okay, rotate the profile. Now select this face, go to create sketch, rotate, take circle command, make one circle of diameter 9, go to dimension, define from base, the center will be at 5 mm, go to vertical constraint, select this center point, finish sketch, here take extrude, flip the direction, so this will become cut profile, go to dimension, take all, so this will be a through cut, press OK. Okay, now we'll give the appearance. From here I've taken the aluminum dark. Okay, so this will be the final output. This was a basic tutorial to how to construct a 3D CAD model in Autodesk Inventor software. I hope you like the video. If you do that, please do hit like and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you.